Hi, I'm Mayur. I'm a data engineer at Bank. The data teams here have already built up everything in Collate. That is the CLV definition, memory rules, and PII tags. Now, I want to take that context into Databricks where we run our production ETL. Let me show you how. I'm opening a new Databricks notebook. Databricks has its own AI agent called Genie code. I'll choose that for creating a curated table. I have my Coast Bank catalog, which contains a bunch of row tables, and I want to create a curated table to help me find the customer lifetime value. And I want to build it with the right definition and the right governance automatically. I've already configured the Collate MCP with Genie so that it can pull context from Collate directly. Now, let me write the prompt to create the curated table. Have already allowed the MCP tool calls, and we can see that Genie is pulling definitions, metrics, and glossary term, everything related to customer lifetime value. It found the canonical CLV definition. It found the memory rule that says installment fees should not be included in revenue calculation. And it identified the PII columns that have been tagged in Collate. 3 different primitives flowing into Databricks agent through MCP. No re-implementation, no copying, just consumption. Now, let me just give it a prompt to create a PySpark script from it. Genie compiles all the information fetched from Collate, and here's the output. A production-ready PySpark code for our curated CLV table. Same definition, same memory tools, same PII tags, the governance team setup, and I never had to redefine any of it. That's what build context once, use it everywhere actually means with the open context layer from Collate.
Mayur has shown us how we can connect Databricks to Collate and open metadata via MCP. Let's see other ways now that we can extract and use Collate context and semantics. Building AI applications can really help your teams automate tedious processes. With all the available options from commercial model providers or open source models, the LLM itself stopped being the hard part to tackle. And instead, that became giving that model the right context and semantics about your data and organization. What your tables mean, how your metrics are actually defined, which data is trusted, who owns it, etc., etc., etc. That context already lives in Collate, and it's constantly refreshed and updated thanks to the fleet of metadata agents scanning your sources. The only question here is, how do you get it out of Collate and into wherever you actually want to work? That's what the SDK is for. The AI SDK lets you interact with the Collate AI via Python, TypeScript, or Java, and provides both a CLI and an annotate node. You can then use the SDK to quickly build custom agents, for example, via LangChain, and back them with MCP tools to bring that super needed context and semantics. Or you can build AI-ready applications by directly interacting with Collate AI agents. Let's see how this looks. In this case, we have a simple notebook, but this could be a data application, Slack bot, CI job, anything that runs Python. In just a few lines, we are pointing the client to our Collate instance, asking a real analyst question, how do I compute the customer lifetime value? And we stream the answer back token by token. As you can see, this answer is exactly the same that it's rooted in the foundation of our organization semantics. This means that we can actually take all of this information and hook it up in any other application, in any other model, to make sure that all of the hard work that you are putting into Collate can be used absolutely anywhere else.